Use the wise building for the cooling of solar panels.
Right. Wise building is a platform to collect information and send signals to control. It is not providing any cooling function. You have to have air conditioner to cool the thing. You can control the air conditioner. So if you want to cool the solar panel, you can put a fan under the panel to cool it. The wise building can control the fan. When the fan comes on, how long it runs, what temperature you should focus on. So all the hardware is not part of wise building. Wise building is a platform to control. So cooling solar panels is possible using a fan so that wise building can control the fan operation.